This article is coming from Investors Business Daily. Cathie Wood found a clever way to profit from bank mayhem. Financial stocks are cracking under the strain of a banking crisis. So how is Cathie Wood found a way to gain 20% on financial stocks this year? Simple, by investing outside of the mainstream financial sector. ARK Invest, ARK FinTech Innovation ETF, is up big this year. It's the number 2 best performing actively traded sector ETF this year, trailing only Wood's ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, which is up 27.7%. ARKF is a fintech innovation ETF and has a large allocation to technology and crypto related stocks. Crypto's up, Bitcoin's up 60% plus. It's on its way to hitting $27,000 today, Friday. In any event, which has actively become more attractive given the recent pullbacks in yields. So yields pulls back because of interest rates kind of getting a little lower, right? Because of the banking crisis. So if interest rates are moving down, that's why we've seen a rally in the tech stocks, and Nasdaq is correlated to Bitcoin. So we're seeing a rally in Bitcoin. So let's continue. ARK FinTech Innovation surprisingly rise this year isn't just about hitting a few lucky winners. More than 70% of the ETF's 27 holdings are up. So some of the holdings, you got your Coinbase, you got your Nvidia, DraftKings is in there, Roku, Roblox, Twilio, Zillow, Shopify. But then I came across this particular stock, Global E Online. Never heard of the stock. So I went over to Yahoo and just to find out what do they do. And Yahoo says that they're a platform that provides, enables, and accelerates direct-to-consumer cross-border e-commerce in various countries such as Israel, UK, United States, and internationally. That means nothing to me, right? Looks like in January, February, they have a bunch of buys. Revenue seems like it has increased over the last 4 years, while earnings is down. So maybe they're growing, right? Maybe they're in growth mode, where the revenues are increasing, but it takes money to make money type thing. All right, so how is Global E Online doing? All right, so we're going to start on the monthly chart as I usually do, and I see a huge consolidation base forming. So recent highs we're going to say is at 36, recent lows 16. So it's been in this range since April of last year. Let's go to the weekly chart, and according to the moving averages, we're sideways, right? However, price has stayed above the 50, the 26, and the 13 simple moving average. It's actually coming off of the 50 and the 26 simple moving average. We call this stacking, where all of these moving averages serve as support if price is above. So this week we had a huge spike from say 25 to roughly 29, but it appears that it's approaching some sellers at the 30 handle. Let's go down to the daily chart. potentially we have a extended bull flag. Right, the bull flag would be get this line here. Bull flag would be, could also say that this is a down channel where price is potentially going to break the down channel. But this is the bull flag formation. We saw this on the weekly chart, but on the daily chart, price dipped to the 100 simple moving average and has been moving higher since Monday, when things really hit the fan in the banking sector. So how high can price go at this point? I think short term you have this huge inverted hammer, which means that there is selling pressure. So I say the short term target, which is also a gap. Potentially price can move a bit higher and get to the top of the range. This is a stock that I'm not interested in personally. Obviously, it's in Cathie Wood's ARK Fintech ETF. Has a weighting of roughly 4%. That's all I got on this one. Sometimes it's fun to just read articles and discover things that you don't know or didn't know. And like I said, never heard of Global E Online. It's not one I'm going to put on my watch list, but just wanted to see how the chart looked. And until we get out of this range, if I was interested, that's when I would get interested. Look out for some selling pressure higher at the 47 level. Got some wicks here. That's why it said the top of the range might be a place to get short or take profits, because you have some selling pressure based on these wicks here as well at 35. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and please like the video.